I found this program, the name itself is a Vantage Program, which basically gives you a complete perspective, a new perspective, how you look into this particular role. I found this experience and the program is very useful for me for enhancing my skill.
Excellent program, neatly organized, quality speakers, and the thing is, all the subjects that we have spoken, you will never speak internally within your fellow colleague or employee, like I don't know this or I don't know how to deal with that, etc. This gives that free space where you also get to know that a lot of other people also are thinking on the same line. You are not alone in the game. And it gives some practical advice, suggestions and guidance from the top people.
I'm privileged to be there in this Deloitte CFO Vantage Program. This is quite a unique program in the industry. I'm seeing this for the first time, and it just helps you, bring out a different version of yourself by attending this program. So yes, I quite experienced. I quite liked it. I will say the overall experience that these guys have given in terms of food, in terms of arrangements, the infrastructure, and the last but not least is the music program. It was just quite an amazing and engaging program. It was fantastic to see entire team member contributing and participating in the program. It was quite a good evening.
The program construct has been fantastic. There have been eminent speakers who have kind of shared their experiences, which has provided us valuable insights and a learning experience as well. Further, I think the diverse cohort that we have here, it gives a valuable outside-in perspective. So you are able to layer that up by working collaboratively with them and also kind of gather or learn from their experiences.
The Deloitte CFO Vantage Program has been a very great experience for me. I am very thrilled and I think I'm fortunate to be nominated by my CFO for this program. This program is actually very well curated to see what the next CFO, whoever is aspiring to be a CFO, what is it that they need to do in their career. So that's been very thoughtfully put together, and then we had a lot of industry speakers, leaders who came and then they shared their experience with us, and also the team here has been really great. And I also appreciated Nandita's session on taking a pause, because that's very important for any CFO who would get into a stressful role as we move forward. I think it's important to take a pause and then manage our stress. Overall, it's been a great program, and I would like to thank Deloitte, my CFO, for giving me this opportunity.